Okay, so I've cooked several things in this Chefman Sous Vide cooker now, and it's a little different from most of the ones I've seen online. But I've cooked several things with it, and it really holds its temperature really well, like perfectly, to the point of a degree. Um, It's, the clip style, which I actually like more than some of the other ones I see that's kind of like got a vise on it. Now, I guess this one might not do so well with, if you had to put it on some thick-walled something, but I don't know why you'd have to put it on something like that. Man, I mean, I just really can't say enough good about it. It's worked perfectly. And the price I got it at, of course, I doubt anybody else is really going to get it at the price I got it at, but the price I got it at, man, who can complain? I've used it many times. I've clipped it on the side of different pots. It works just perfect. And I know y'all see that in the background. That's just pans that I just pulled out of the oven with, I was cooking bacon on them, so don't hold that against me. Everybody likes bacon. I just haven't cleaned up the pan yet. Anyway, back to the matter at hand. This thing, it lights up blue, as y'all see in the rest of the video. Holds the temperature perfectly. Man, 2 thumbs up, definitely. Now, I don't know price-wise how it compares to other units, and this is just a protective film that's... but anyway, I don't know price-wise how this compares to other units. If... other ones are cheaper and better. I don't know. I know I only paid like 25, 30 bucks for this one. And I don't think you can even get any type for that. But I think honestly, even at 100 bucks, 150 bucks, whatever these things are going for, I think it's worth it. Now, one thing to keep in mind is this particular one, it shows you the temperature, it shows you the current temperature, and then your set temperature, and then has an on button. And this is how you scroll up and down to turn your temperature up or down. It does not have, it's not Bluetooth capable, it doesn't have a timer or anything like that. So it's not going to be, like some of the more expensive ones. But let's see what the model number is on this one, in case y'all want to know. Can y'all see that there? Model number, yeah, you can see that, precision cooker. But so that's the information on it. If y'all want to buy one, I'm not saying buy this particular one, but I am saying that this particular one has worked quite well for me, and I'm quite happy with my purchase, and I will continue to use it. Okay, so today I'm making my wife sous vide eggs. The sous vide egg bites. She loves them from Starbucks, so I'm going to make them for her so that she can have them in the freezer and just lay them out in the morning and have them every day. Okay, I just wanted to show y'all for this sous vide. Y'all can use really any kind of a pot or anything that's deep enough to cook what you're trying to cook in, so long as it goes to that minimum line right there or above. What I was trying to say is any pot will work. This just so happens to be the inside of my Instapot, what I'm using right now. But anything that is deep enough and will hold the heat well enough will work. I mean, people have used plastic tubs, coolers, all kinds of stuff. So surely you've got a pot or something in the kitchen you can put this thing onto. I don't know what the prices of these are right now. I know a lot of people are saying they spent $125 and up. I guess I just got extremely lucky because I bought this for like 25 bucks. It was on sale at a local store here, Bargain Hunt, and when I seen the price on it, I snapped it up. I've cooked a few things in it. It's worked flawlessly so far. I absolutely love it.